ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello, listeners. This is your radio jockey Kuldeep Singh, and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, coordinators Pooja Murad, Sai Sudha, and Koshalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Listen again, 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions or queries and support to elderly. Trips are very memorable, especially the school and college trips. It used to be educative, fun, and memorable. Today, Mr. Vasant Kumar is going to share the experience of a trip to a hydroelectric generating station in his college days. I am eager to hear from him. Let us not waste our time. Pay attention to him. Over to Mr. Vasant Kumar.
Dear members, I am Vasant Kumar here. I am a member of Nightingale Trust. I would like to tell you about all memories of a visit to a hydroelectric station in Karnataka. This is a wonderful memory from the college days. There used to be a technical tour during our engineering course studies. Being electrical engineering course, it was planned to visit one of the famous hydroelectric station at Sharavati and Linganmakki Reservoir, Shivamogga, Karnataka. We, a group of 25 students, along with our head of the electrical department, we planned to visit. A bus was arranged and we left for the tour. On the way, the students, enjoyed the friends singing songs, cutting jokes, and eating food items brought by each and every one. The first, we reached to the Linganmakki Reservoir. Such a beautiful, a big dam, a place and a very huge area for storing water, for producing electricity. We never seen such a beautiful place, a very huge reservoir before. The water stored is flown to the electricity generating station through a huge pipes called penstock pipes of a big diameter around 10 feet. from a level height of 1500 to 2000 feet below, where the water is flown into the huge turbines are placed in the electricity generating station. Fortunately, one turbine section was under servicing. We are lucky to see all the parts on the construction of the turbines and its big Pelton wheels, where the water is flown under jet pressure with the force to rotate the turbine, and in turn the electricity is generated. The electricity generated is transmitted to the substation, from where the electricity is supplied to the different parts of our state, Karnataka. Our memorable visit to the Sharavati generating station was completed by around 3 p.m. We, a group of 10 to 15 students and friends, planned to visit Jog Falls and decided to go to the bottom of the falls and ventured to trek down the steep land and reached the bottommost place, a beautiful scene. See, we never forget such a beautiful water falling from 1000 feet or more than that. It was falling like a cloud, and we enjoyed the falls. So it has started becoming dark. We have to climb back the treacherous, steep uproot. It becomes so dark. Luckily, that day it was a full moon day. Somehow, in the moonlight, in the treacherous place, plants and all, we have managed to reach the top. This adventure we can never forget, and finally we had a very good memorable trip and reached home with a lot of memories.
Oh, thank you, Vasant Kumar, for sharing the wonderful experience that reminded my trip along with my friends in college days. I shall share it next time. Listeners, I hope you all enjoyed listening to the experience as well. Stay tuned to Hiriyaravani for more such programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries, and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.